Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we are looking at a 2018 ISUZU NPR-HD with the 6.0 liter V8 gas engine that we affectionately call the Moneymaker. Now, we have a lot to go over, so I'm going to make it quick. As I mentioned, this vehicle has the 6.0 liter V8 GMC gas engine with right at 152,000 miles. This is a one-owner vehicle belonging to one of my very good customers, and it's been here in Oklahoma City its entire life. We have a 14,500 pound GVW and a 176-inch wheelbase. This ISUZU is running on 225 70R19.5 tires, and you have about 90% of the tread remaining. This is a brand new Wil-Co Landscape Body. The overall bed length is 20 foot. You have a 16-foot flat deck plus a 4-foot ramp. Features include a spring-loaded dual loading ramp, fold-down side panels, Weedeater Rack, shovel rack, water cooler mount, and an overhead blower basket. Additionally, this body includes D-ring tie downs and side stirrups to help get onto the body. Jumping forward to the cab, this truck has all the normal amenities that you would expect on a 2018 model. Additionally, this truck has been through our shop and our road-ready service and inspection process, so it is ready to hit the road and go to work today. Now, if you haven't done so, please help us grow this channel and hit that like and subscribe button. Now it's time to answer the big question. How do I buy this truck? Well, there are two ways. In fact, we do take cash payments and we offer very competitive financing. With approved credit, we can get you into this truck for as low as $782 a month. Call me for the details and request our digital credit application. A very popular question that we get all the time is, should I buy a gas engine or a diesel engine? Well, I tell you what, around here, we are all about the gas engine. This GMC gas engine is so easy to maintain and repair, and you also get to avoid the 1,000 different issues that can arise from the diesel emissions. You don't have to deal with turbos going out, injectors getting clogged. It's just such a big difference. Now, for another landscape truck option, we have loose dovetails sitting on the ground that can be installed on almost any one of our box trucks. Some customers like this option because they get great advertisement on the side of the cargo box. They're keeping their equipment out of the weather, and their equipment is protected from theft. I actually think our next video will be a landscape box truck with the dovetail on the back. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 405-912-5800 and ask for unit 4990. And you can find additional pictures and specifications on our website at Truck-n-Trailer.com. If this landscaper's not quite your cup of tea, we have a ton of inventory. We have some of these, and we have some of these. We even have these. We have a ton of box trucks, big, small, gas, diesel, liftgate, landscape, work trucks, whatever you can think of. Give me a call. My name is Jeff Morgan, and I'm here to help you grow your business.